Hello friends, in this lesson we are going to talk about solving quadratic equation by factoring. Let's start with an example. Here we have x squared minus 49 equals 0. There are different techniques to solve it, but before doing, please feel free, do yourself, pause the video, do yourself, and at the end compare your solution with my answer. If you use different solution, let me know in the comment. Okay, here we go. At the first look, we can see both x squared and 49 are perfect square. Second root of x squared is x. Let's write it here. Second root of x squared is x. Second root of 49, yes, 7. X to the power of 2, x squared, 7 to the power of 2, 49. Now tell me, how can we do it? Should we move 49 to other side? Should we factor it, or we can use quadratic formula? We are going to use factoring to solve this equation. But at the first look, I can remember an algebraic identity that is called difference of two squared. We have a squared minus b squared equals a minus b, a plus b. We are going to use this formula to factor this equation. But how can we do this? It is called difference of two squared. Look here. Difference 1 squared, 2 squared. That is why it is called difference of 2 squared. Now, we can write, instead of x squared minus 49, x squared minus 7 to the power of 2. Now it will be easy to factor this one. Second root of x squared is x, and second root of 49 is 7. It's gonna be x minus 7 and x plus 7. Now we need to set both factors equals 0. X minus 7 equals 0 and x plus 7 equals 0. This is all we need to do. X minus 7 equals 0. Move the 7 to other side, change the sign. We will have x equals 7, and for this one, x plus 7 equals 0. Move the 7 to the other side, change the sign, we will have negative 7. Plus 7 and minus 7 are two answers of this equation.